We're here in the desert, but Pima Air and Space Museum will soon be home to one of the biggest flying boats ever built. The museum will be receiving a Martin Mars flying boat, one of only 2 left in existence. A Canadian company used the huge planes as fire tankers. The one you see here in this video is going to a Canadian museum. Pima Air and Space will get the other existing Martin Mars. It has been changed back to its original blue paint scheme when it flew for the U.S. Navy. The Navy actually bought 5 of these giant planes during World War II to carry cargo. It's not clear when the big plane will arrive in Tucson and be ready to sea.